Hi everybody, it's Holly from Gymboree Play in Music Vancouver. I'm here today to make another spacecraft with you, and Easter is just around the corner. So do you know what a perfect craft we can do is? Some alien eggs. Look at them. Look at them, they're so cute. We're gonna make these together in our space theme craft today, our alien eggs. Let's get going, come on. All right, let's see what we are going to need today. I have two colors of paint. These paint colors match the eggs that I have today to paint, and they are the opposite colors. So the pink one's going to go with the green one and the green one with the pink. I have some liquid glue. You can use any glue. I would recommend the liquid glue for today's craft, or hot glue with a parent. We have two pipe cleaners, again the same colors as our eggs and our paint. Followed by some pom-poms that are, again, guess what? The same colors as our eggs and our paints. You're gonna need some googly eyes. I have some different sizes of googly eyes here. I have some small one and I have a big one. You can really use any size. You can use as many as you'd like. You'll see as we go along. And then finally, you're also gonna need some Q-tips. The Q-tips are gonna be your paintbrush today, so those are important. All right, let's get started. All right, we're gonna start with our eggs and our paint and our little Q-tips. So I'm taking the Q-tip, I'm putting it in some paint, and then I'm just gonna put some spots and speckles all over my egg. I'm turning the egg as I do this to make sure that my fingers don't get messy, and I'm really being thorough to make sure I get all sides. Now you can do different sizes of spots, just like I'm doing with this green one. I'm gonna dip the paint in the pink, and then I'm gonna go for some really big spots by just moving my Q-tip around in circles and just rotating again like I did before. Now these are going to be wet when you place them down. Try not to let them roll. I did make that mistake with the pink egg. If you have something like a little egg holder or a egg carton or a spoon even, that might be helpful to minimize that. You can blow dry them. Just watch out so the paint doesn't run. But yeah, we're gonna set these aside to dry, and then once they're dry, we're gonna move on. All right, once your shells are dry, we can start to put our pipe cleaners through the tops. So there are some holes in the top of the eggs you can see here. We're just going to push them through there. So I'm going to start with my green one going through my pink egg. I would recommend having a different color pipe cleaner than your egg. Just makes it more interesting and gives them more alien-y vibes. And I'm doing the same thing for my green egg with the pink pipe cleaner. All right, now we can sort of shape them into any shape we would like. For this one, I'm gonna do some curls. So either you can just twist, 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 or you can wrap it around your finger like I'm doing here. That is another way that you can do these kind of pipe cleaner curls on the egg. For this one, I decided I was going to twist it together. Sorry, it's sort of off camera, and then it made it a long spout, and then I just gave them a little bit of a curl. So you can see my two eggs finished here. Now I get to add some fun stuff. So I have my eyes and my pom-poms ready to go, and my glue. So you have a couple of options. Either you can twist the pom-pom inside of the pipe cleaner and get them stuck that way, or you can actually glue them on with your liquid glue or stick glue, whatever it is that you're using. So I'm just putting some glue onto my pom-pom, and then I'm going to put it onto my pipe cleaner like so. You do want to be careful with this. Make sure you don't put too much glue or else it'll slide right off. I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and they stuck pretty well. I was pretty happy. I did have one pom-pom left over. I was like, what should I do with that? So you can get creative. I decided to make it into a tail for my egg, or my alien egg, and I put it right on the bum of my green egg. And I just placed it down with a little bit of glue, and voila! Look at that. Cute, right? Okay, next we're going to move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to start with the big one. With the big one, I'm just going to put the glue directly onto the eye. I'm figuring out where I want it first, and then I can go ahead and glue it on. Great, and once it's glued on, I can move on to the next one. This one, I'm actually going to put all three eyes onto its face, so I'm just putting some glue evenly on the front of the egg, and then I'm going to put them down like that. So I'm not gluing the eyes individually, although that would be some good fine motor exercise. It does get a little bit difficult, and my tail did end up falling off, so I just put some extra glue and then sat them down to dry like that. And then, guess what? Okay, and look at that. We have our alien eggs all ready to go. These are gonna go great in your Easter egg hunts, and they go perfectly with our theme of space this week. Look at them. They've got their antennas and their eyes and their spots. Now, if you do want to join us next week for our next episode in the April Art from Home category of space, you can join us next week as well. We're looking forward to it, and we'll see you next time. I wonder what we'll make. See you later. Bye-bye.